Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explore how to achieve peace and tranquility in our minds through an engaging story. Once upon a time, in a bustling city lived a man named Arjun. Arjun was a hardworking individual, always busy with his work and responsibilities. He was constantly bombarded with information, distractions, and chaos, just like everyone else in the city. Living in such an environment can make us reactive, causing us to lose our inner peace and calm. This can lead to feelings of frustration, stress, and even depression. He decided to seek help. He visited an old Buddhist monk named Tenzin, who lived in a serene monastery on the outskirts of the city. Tenzin listened to Arjun's problems and then shared some wisdom. Tenzin told Arjun that peace and calmness are not external, they do not come from the outside world. They can be found within us. Regardless of where you reside or what you do, if you truly focus on cultivating this inner calm and if you're wise enough to discover it, you will be able to find peace and tranquility amidst all the chaos. Peace and tranquility must be cultivated and developed within us. And it's important to note that being calm and peaceful does not mean having an empty mind. When you are calm and peaceful, it doesn't mean that your mind is void of thoughts. Thoughts will still arise in your mind. There will be many thoughts and a stream of thoughts will appear in your mind. But when you are truly calm and serene, you tend not to react to all these stimuli. That is the true meaning of calmness and peace. Normally, when thoughts arise, we often react to them. We become panicked and tend to react to them. This happens because we identify with our thoughts. We tend to believe that we are what we think and that we are our thoughts. But in reality, thoughts are not you. You are not your thoughts. Thoughts are temporary, like passing clouds. There's the sky and there are clouds. The nature of a cloud is to come, swirl around, and then dissipate. Sometimes the sky is cloudy, sometimes it's moody, sometimes the clouds are scattered here and there, and sometimes the sky is clear. You are like the sky and your thoughts are like the clouds. There's a vast distance between the sky and the clouds, but we often mistake the clouds for the sky. Sometimes when it's raining or when it's moody, we blame the sky. We tend to say that the weather is not okay, the sky is always raining and it's moody. But the sky is not raining. Clouds form the rain. Similarly, when thoughts arise in your mind, you can take a step back and think, should I react to this? Should I react to these thoughts? For example, if an angry thought arises in your mind, what should you do? Just pause for a moment and think, should I react to this? You can take a moment and think about it. Oh, this is anger. I should not react to this. This is jealousy. I should not react to this. It's okay to have thoughts in your mind, but if you want to be peaceful, you should choose not to react to those thoughts. There are a few practices that we can incorporate into our daily lives to help cultivate this peace and calm. One thing you can do is to slow down your body movements for a period of time each day. Maybe when you have free time and when you're alone, maybe when you're walking, maybe during writing, or maybe when you're studying, try to maintain slow body movements. I say this because our bodies and our minds are highly interconnected. When our thoughts become panicked, our bodies become panicked. So, in the same way, if we calm down and if we slow down our bodily movements, it will greatly help us to slow down the thought process. Then you can take a little time and think about what comes to your mind. That is one thing you can do. And there's another great practice that Buddha taught us to do, which is called breathing meditation. When you practice breathing meditation, you reduce the heavy load of thoughts to two thoughts, in-breath and out-breath. In breathing meditation, all we are doing is constantly becoming aware of the in-breath and the out-breath. When you do that, It's sort of like condensing your mind. It's sort of like making your mind soft, peaceful, and non-reactive. That is what you can do. And there's another thing you can do, which is to not judge your thoughts and to be aware of your thoughts. I will give you an example. It's like you're watching traffic pass by the side of the road. You can see cars, bikes, vans, and buses going by, but you're not going to judge them. You're not going to stop them. You're not going to chase after them. You sit by the road and you just watch them. Let the vehicles be the vehicles and you be you. In the same way, let the thoughts be the thoughts and you be you. When you become less reactive to your thoughts, you can find that peace and calmness in your mind. Over time, Arjun noticed a significant change in himself. He was less reactive, more peaceful, and calm. He was able to find peace and tranquility amidst all the chaos of the city. Arjun was grateful to Tenzin for his wisdom and guidance. His journey is a testament to the power of inner peace and tranquility. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you have any thoughts or experiences you'd like to share, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, peace and tranquility start from within. Thank you for watching, and may you find your own inner peace amidst the chaos.